Lexus has recently teased the automotive world with a glimpse of the upcoming ES sedan, hinting at substantial updates beyond the minor facelifts seen in previous iterations. The teaser, analyzed by experts, reveals a completely revamped front end, showcasing new, simplified headlights with distinctive LED running lights. The traditional grille is replaced by a narrow radiator grille, complemented by a massive redesigned bumper, suggesting a bold new aesthetic direction. Intriguingly, the teaser likely depicts a fully electric version of the ES sedan, sparking speculation that the conventional model will also undergo similar design enhancements. While side profiles are expected to remain largely unchanged, the rear will likely feature new stylized taillights and an updated bumper, aligning with Lexus's latest design language. Built on the global architecture K platform shared with the Toyota Camry, the current Lexus ES might soon boast significant powertrain upgrades. Notably, the introduction of all-electric versions seems imminent, as suggested by Lexus's recent registration of the ES 350e and ES 500e indices. The eagerly awaited premiere of the new Lexus ES is anticipated in the coming months, promising a blend of innovative design and advanced electric mobility that could redefine the luxury sedan segment. Stay tuned for further updates on this exciting development from Lexus.